In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not responding in minutes. Sometimes a sluggish or unresponsive browser can be quite a pain, but fear not. We'll walk through these solutions step by step to get you back on track. First, let's try restarting Microsoft Edge. Sometimes the simplest fixes are the most effective. You want to close the browser entirely. Now this means shutting it down completely, including any background processes. A helpful tool here is the Task Manager. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard, locate Microsoft Edge in the list, and end the task. Once Edge is closed, wait a few moments and then reopen the browser to see if the issue has resolved itself. If you're still facing issues, let's free up some system resources by closing any unused tabs. Having too many tabs open can be a strain on your computer's resources, which could lead to your browser not responding. Go ahead and close the tabs you don't need. If you notice a particular website is causing trouble, try closing that tab specifically as well. Next, let's ensure Microsoft Edge is up to date. Open Edge and navigate to Settings and More, represented by the three dots in the upper right corner. From there, head to Settings, then About Microsoft Edge. This section will automatically check for updates. If any updates are available, install them and restart the browser to see if the problem is solved. Another possible cause of the issue could be corrupted browsing data, so clearing it might help. To do this, go back into Settings and More, then head to Settings and Privacy, Search and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, you'll see an option that says Choose what to clear. Select all time as your time range and ensure all options such as browsing history, cookies, cached images and files are checked. Once done, click Clear Now. If nothing has worked so far, consider checking your extensions. Extensions can sometimes cause browsers to behave erratically. While still in Settings, go to Extensions. Temporarily disable each extension one by one, checking each time if the problem persists to identify the potential culprit. Once you identify any problematic extensions, you may want to remove them permanently. Lastly, if Edge still isn't cooperating, resetting it could be the trick. In the Settings menu, find Reset Settings, click on Restore Settings to their default values, and then click Reset. Be aware that this will revert your startup page, search engine, and various settings back to default, so you'll need to set those back the way you like them afterward. With these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any unresponsiveness issues with Microsoft Edge. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you navigate smoothly.